The quantum physics model, however, proposes a process where this relativistic mass increase is eliminated: propulsion and mass shedding. Within this theory, propulsion energy is used for thrust. Crucially, this energy is then shed as exhaust, rather than being added to the vessel's relativistic mass. This warping the space does not occur, preventing space warping by eliminating the mass increase. The vessel does not create the significant gravitational distortion, space-time warping, that would be expected in mainstream general relativity when approaching light speeds. This process allows the vessel to maintain a stable state while accelerating. Equilibrium recycling of cosmos energy. The key to this mechanism is the equilibrium recycling of elusive cosmos energy, which resolved within the variable warp density field of Kavetsky's model. This elusive energy corresponds to what mainstream science calls quantum vacuum energy or zero-point energy, which the quantum physics theory identifies as the fundamental energetic fabric of not at all objective space.
Kawecki resolves the conflicts, the indifferences between local planetary fields and expanding cosmic space through his concept of variable warp density fields. Matter is condensed warp density. In his theory, what we perceive as objective matter like a planet or a star is not a distinct entity. It is simply a highly localized, extreme concentration or knot of this fundamental energetic warp density. This is his version of E equals mc2. Matter is just condensed spacetime energy. Gravity is the play of density fields. The force of gravity is not caused by the curvature of an objective geometric fabric. Instead, it is the natural interaction, the play between these different density fields. A high-density field, a planet, naturally creates a gravity well in the surrounding lower density field. Expansion as field equalization. The expansion of the universe, Hubble's universe, is interpreted as the massive, general, low-density field of the cosmos attempting to equalize or relax from the initial high-energy distortion of the Big Bang.
In space, mass diminished because of the vacuum field. The vacuum field is negativity charged due to positive planetary matter of celestial sort. A ship travels under the influence of the dark grud, meaning it mimics its zero-point polarity. Zero mass. It's the Hubble anomaly that the age if the universe flows to. Positively excited planetary matter, the stars, planets, and galaxies, excite a negative resistance under the Newton law, the foundation that positive similar matter stays separated in the same manner as two positive magnetic poles repel each other. This evident space between same similarities generates negative grounding. In turn, weightlessness and a zero-point vacuum warp drive nature system in the universe. Zero-point energy space retains no energy to cause inertia or time dilation that advocates relativity's laws if universal constants. No theory of this observation exists. Classical physics and Einstein's gravity still dominates physics. Yet net values are set in motion by the quantum physics theory that illustrate opposition. Relativity asserts its gravity laws on space curvature, which is true to the affect of planetary bodies generating acceleration, but also claims the speed limit in zero vacuum. You can't have the cake and eat it too, so he enters no real arithmetic to his inquiry. Space is the same to all observers. If it weren't, space would be different in many areas. Space meaning dark matter. The heavenly bodies are all limited to the speed of light, constant under the influence of their own energies. Infinite mass is reincorporated in quantum physics into a weightlessness space. Matter condition that applies to all matter, even the planets and the stars, but yet are not in relativity. Relativity rejects this assumption, this fact about space. So who is right? And if the vacuum assumes energy over time, used up by motion activities of a kind, causing celestial humanoid organic matter to age and celestial to burn energy over time, where does that energy flow to?